Estate planning is one of the most crucial steps in securing your family's financial future. It ensures that your assets are distributed according to your wishes, the way that you want, and that your loved ones are protected after you're gone. With the rise of these online platforms or do it yourself tools, many people assume that they can bypass professional legal assistance. Now, while those solutions may seem convenient and somewhat cost effective, they often fail to account for the complexities of probate law, particular to your state, especially here in Michigan, where we are. Regulations can vary not only within the state, but county to county with regards to your individual circumstances. There are all kinds of hidden risks using do it yourself or online estate planning platforms that use boilerplate documents or fill in the blank documents. It is important to understand that professional guidance matters. I can tell you this, over several years, I have had the opportunity to review all kinds of different do it yourself or boilerplate online forms. And to this date, every single one of them has required significant changes, if not outright redrafting and replacement. They are significant. One of the obvious reasons, though, is the simple fact that by using such platforms, you have no one to give you guidance. There is no one to answer your specific questions. There's no one to actually discuss with you the decisions that you're making on your own. Your family is not being discussed with specificity to figure out the best way to actually protect them. You're being left to your own device to figure that out for yourself. And there is no boilerplate form that's going to be customized enough to do it for you. So these platforms simply cannot deliver the in-depth, personal, customized legal guidance and protections that a real life professional attorney can give to you. Don't gamble with your family, with your assets, or really with your own self. I mean, for goodness sakes, aren't these all the most important things in your life? They're the most important things in all of our lives. They're worth making sure you do it right. They're worth making sure you get good, sound, specific advice to protect them. The best way to protect them all begins with understanding. And to get that personal understanding, to get the answers to the questions that you need about you and your family and your assets, give us a call, make an appointment with Abraham Law at 810-750-0440. Or again, visit us online at abrahampc.com. We'll be happy to book an appointment with you, review these things, get the answers to your questions. And so at the very least, you walk out with a good, solid, specific understanding of what's best for you and your family.